You better watch how you talk to me. Better watch what you say to me. You better mind how you step to me, boy. You better watch how you talk to me. Better watch what you say to me.
Hey Sophy, it's Madam Sophy here again to do another wig review. This time I'm going to be reviewing this wig called Emmy. Now Emmy has been out for some time. It is definitely a big, long, and fabulous wig. Well, not too much on the big side, but it makes a big impact if you know what I mean. Emmy is gonna have heads turn when you wear her. I have worn this wig twice and I just decided to come do a quick review on it because I know this is the season for homecoming and this might be a really good option for you guys if you're into homecoming and if you're into wearing wigs. And if you're into wearing wigs. Okay, so it's Emmy's from the Outre Lace front collection, and I'm going to be rocking her. I'm going to be wearing her in the color DR2730. She's from the Outre Lace front wig collection. This wig is lace front, so you also have lace at the front of the wig from ear to ear, and you also have an L-shaped party, and then that's what it says here. This wig it's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is Emmy. This is the color I have her in. As you guys see, the curls look like they've been like worn out before, and yes, it is worn out. I'm just gonna give her a quick shake. And in this one, you have a mixture of 30 strands and 27 strands. This wig has 4 combs. You have 3 combs at the front of this wig. So 1, 2, and 3. You do have your adjustable straps and you do have another comb at the back. So 4 combs in all. And as you can see, it's a lace front wig. You do have ear tabs with the bone-in material inside of it. Let me pop this wig on.
I'm a sophisticated lady. I'm a sophisticated lady. All of my sophisticated ladies, raise up your hands.
This is Emmy from the Outre Lace front wig collection in the color DR2730. You could get this wig in a variety of other colors. It does not say the other colors that you could get it on the stock card, but I'm pretty sure you would be able to get this wig in several other colors. I would say for this wig, just be mindful that it tangles a lot. And I don't know if you guys realize, but it is very much tangled at the back. I was trying to bring in most of the hair in the front, but because it's tangled so badly in the back, because silly me, I forgot to untangle it, it's a bit difficult to bring all the hair to the front. But I'm just going to warn you to let you know that it is a long wig, so definitely expect it to tangle. So try to, as soon as you wear it, try to untangle it so that you don't let the tangles build up and so on. So this is my take on this wig. This is the only con I have with this wig. This wig has lots of combs, and the whole fact that it's lace front is a huge plus. I think I paid about $20 something for this wig. I can't remember, but that was so long ago, so probably the price went down. But this wig is definitely perfect for this season, and I just wanted to come show you guys how this one looks. This wig is indeed Sophy approved. My only con, guys, is that it tangles a lot. It tangles very quickly, and that is expected with any long wig that you purchase. Unless you have a braided wig or a full lock wig, you won't have to deal with tangles. But this one is a long wig with lots of curls, so it is going to tangle. Okay, so because of that, just wanted to let you guys know, because mine is all tangled up. It's all matted at the back. I gotta get rid of those tangles after I'm done with this review. So what I would advise you guys to do to avoid your wig from getting tangled at the back, as soon as you're done wearing the wig, I would highly suggest that you untangle the wig, just to get rid of those tangles, and just so that it's easier to manage the next time you intend on using it. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you subscribe on your way out. You gotta be part of the Sophia squad, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, okay? All right, so thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for all that you do. I hope you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe again. Just being annoying. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be Sophie, and don't forget to be you. Bye, honeys.
You're driving me crazy, but there's just one thing that you need to know. I'm not easy. You're hot. Please tell me, baby, are you the man who understands and can treat me like a sophisticated? I'm a sophisticated. I'm a sophisticated.